Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This time I'm showing you two brief clips taken from a long video, 65 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. I see a lot of opportunities coming up now in the markets. The markets are going to be very interesting and quite exciting in the next several weeks. This video is full of the full version is really chock full of insights and explanations, detailed explanations. If you like the clip and you like further information, please stay on. I'll be talking to you again after the clip's end. Other than that, I wish you have a great week and good trading. Hello and welcome, this is Roy. This past week we have seen the dollar strengthening against all the currencies, at least those that I follow, and we have seen the stock market weakening. I think these trends are likely to continue now. I have prepared a very long list of charts, and here's the list. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, British pound US dollar South African rand, US dollar Canadian dollar, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar Chinese yuan, US dollar Singapore dollar, US dollar Swedish krona, and then high-grade copper, gold, silver, palladium, platinum, the CRB, euro bond continuous chart, euro bond December contract, and then we have the euro bubble continuous chart, the euro Bruxelles continuous chart. We'll have a look at the UST bond, the TYX, light crude, Brent crude, the Dow cash, Dow transportation average, the S&P global, the S&P 500, at the DAX, the FTSE. I'll have a look at corn continuous chart, and I'll terminate this video with a brief look at corn December contract. Okay, that's the US dollar Chinese yuan. Now, the chart falls. That means the US dollar is losing ground against the Chinese yuan. The Chinese yuan is rising. I don't have very, if you like, major announcement here concerning this monthly chart. What I would like to say is the following: if we are close to some sort of meaningful bottom here in the US dollar Chinese yuan forex pair, because the US dollar is looking like it is preparing for a massive run against basically all the currencies that we follow, and that's why I bring up now the Chinese yuan to have another look at this major forex pair, because of course, obviously, the Chinese yuan is becoming fairly popular in so many quarters, and what the chart here is telling us on the monthly scale is that for anything serious to happen in terms of the reversal of the dollar against the Chinese yuan, we must see a run above this level. That's just slightly above 6.6. As long as it stays under this level, the dollar is likely to continue to look lower. And now, why do I bring up the 6.6? Because of that. You see, this is a monthly scale. Remember, this is a likely triangle here. We had a break out of the triangle. That could be classified as a 1, 2, that's 3, that's 4, and that could be an extended fifth. If that is the case, we might be looking at a major bottom for the US dollar against the Chinese yuan, and that will become very interesting if we get a run above this level. You see, at that point, that will be taken as a complete leg, and when you add up the fact that this is a triangle, it is quite possible that a much bigger pattern is terminating here. So this is something that I will come back to not on a weekly basis. From time to time I'll have a look at it as the dollar rally progresses in versus other currencies. We'll come back and take a look. Let's have a look at the weekly. As you can see, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be an extended fifth. It is obviously not the only wave count that you can come up with, but you can see that this is a major area, in my opinion, for changing completely the pattern. If it is something more bearish, of course, that's not going to happen. The dollar is going to most likely stay under this level, by the way I see it, and will just continue to bounce up and down, basically telling you that there is further downside coming in this currency pair. So these are the levels, okay? It's just above 6.6. Any retest of the floor here basically sides with the bears, telling you that the movement down is not over. Okay, that's gold. That's the weekly scale. And if you are interested in gold, you surely remember that I pointed out this MACD alarm signal here on the weekly scale last week. And look what happened. It continued down, and we got a nice continuation this week. Nice continuation, good for several $1,000s per contract. And I don't think it's over. I think it is on its way, exactly as I'm showing you here in my arrow. It's on its way to break 1550 and go way lower. Let's take a look at the daily here. And I am putting a possible wave count here. This is now the daily going back to early September, with this being 1, 2, potential 3, 4th wave. I'm looking for the 5th. Sorry, the 5th is likely to now break the orange line, go much lower, test C1600s, and potentially even 1550 if we get an extended 5th. That is looking good. I am short gold, something that I'm not doing that often, but I think that the price action in the precious metals is really looking compelling. Compelling situation here to sell short. And here you are. That's 1, 2 down in the 3rd. That appears to me like a 4th wave textbook, and maybe just further meanderings here, staying under 1,700 would look like the right thing. And break the first solid break under this level, you know that you are in the 5th wave. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs 79 euro only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. that's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions, that's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.